crazy growth.
That's what you needed. That's how you do it.
Nutrients, I'm working on all the nutrients, practical too. I'm not cutting anything back.
So any compost you put in here?
Yeah,
You do?
7
Okay.
ton
Oh, 7 tons every year? Is that what you do?
this year, and last year it was 6.
Oh, okay.
And then I have 2 and 2.
So you have to do every year.
I'm doing every year.
Yeah. So what
You don't have to, but I
and percentage you put the
well,
compost?
the compost was the dairy manure compost.
Oh, it's okay. So that's very high.
Yeah.
Very high in
And
N.
gypsum, I have 55%, the Lost Hill one.
Okay.
That's the one I'm a big fan.
So you do both,
Yeah.
gypsum plus the compost.
And then I also put that humic acid one.
Oh, you did that too? Through the
Drip.
I
I'm
see.
a big fan of that. I do 3 applications. People do only 2. I do 3.
So
Microbacteria, humic acid. That's a good application.
so you feel that by put that investment, it worth it to
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can, if I look at this tree, how you can say I made a mistake or something?
right.
These trees are making you feel like
Yeah.
loving it.
Yes. Yeah.
And same thing in a Delray.
Right. Yeah.
But we're gonna look at the without flood irrigation, and you're gonna say, yeah, this is
That's the
something
solution.
we should look into.
Yeah.
The new shoots are all growing upright only. What happened?
Oh, it's happened this year. Last year they were mushroom type.
Oh.
The new growth, they're gonna do the same, but I have to do the rope after the harvest.
I see.
If I don't do the rope,
Gotcha.
then they will
Then
become
we'll-
mushroom.
okay,
It's,
got it,
just,
got
it's
it.
not good.
So you need to do that too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last year was-
Like the piece that are by the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I saw that you do the strings.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay, rope.
So how long it will last that rope?
The rope lasts for a lot of time, but trees no need the rope after 7 years.
Oh, okay.
So they get a
So
the branches
I
strong
see.
enough.
So
After 7-8 years, the tree no need any more rope.
I see. Okay.
But if you have it, you have it. If you don't, then it's no big deal.